Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna, and I am very excited. Learning English is fun, and we are here to help you every day. How are you today? I hope you are feeling wonderful. The weather is very nice today, and I feel very positive.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends at home. I am Tom, and I am very happy too. I feel great because we are talking about a very exciting topic today. I love traveling. Traveling makes me feel alive. Today is a beautiful day to learn new words and enjoy our time together.
Yes, Tom, traveling is amazing. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you like our videos, please click the like button. Your comments make us very happy. We love reading your messages from all over the world. Are you ready to start our journey today?
I am ready, Anna. Today we are at the airport. The airport is a big place. It is a place with many people and many bags. I'm a little nervous when I go to the airport because I don't want to be late. Do you like airports, Anna?
I love airports, Tom. I think they are very interesting. There are people from many countries. Everyone is going to a different place. Some people are going to the beach and some people are going to the mountains. I feel very curious when I see so many people.
That is true. The airport is very busy. The first thing we see is the big hall. There are many signs. We need to find the big screen. The screen has all the flight information. We look for our flight number. Anna, can you see our flight on the screen?
Let me look, Tom. Yes, I see it. Our flight is to London. The screen says on time. That is very good news. On time means the plane is not late. I feel very happy when the plane is on time. If the plane is late, I feel a little sad and tired.
Me too. Now we need to go to the check-in desk. The check-in desk is where we show our passport. My passport is in my pocket. I always check my pocket 5 times. I want to be sure my passport is there. Do you have your passport, Anna?
Yes, Tom. I have my passport in my small bag. It is very important. We also have our suitcases. My suitcase is very big and heavy. I have many clothes inside. I have shoes, jackets, and my camera. Is your suitcase heavy too?
My suitcase is not very big. I like to travel light. To travel light means I don't have many things. We put our suitcases on the scale. The scale is the machine that weighs the bags. I hope my bag is not too heavy. If the bag is too heavy, we have to pay more money.
Don't worry, Tom. Your bag looks small. The lady at the desk is very kind. She smiles at us, she takes our passports, and she gives us the boarding passes. The boarding pass is the paper we need to get on the plane. Now we are ready for the next step.
The next step is the most important part. We have to go to security. I see a long line of people. Security is where they check our bags and our bodies. It is for our safety. Safety is very important when we fly in a plane.
You are right, Tom. Security is very important. I see the signs. We need to take out our laptops. If you have a computer, you must put it in a tray. A tray is a plastic box. We also need to take off our jackets. I am wearing a big blue jacket today.
I am taking off my belt too. Sometimes the belt has metal. Metal makes a loud noise in the machine. Beep, beep, beep. I don't like that noise. It makes me jump. I also put my keys and my phone in the tray. Everything goes into the tray.
Look, Tom, the trays are moving on the belt. They go into a big machine. The machine uses X-rays to look inside our bags. It is like magic. The security officer is looking at a monitor. He is very serious. He wants to make sure everything is okay.
Now it is my turn to walk through the metal detector. I walk slowly. I feel a little nervous, but I don't know why. I'm a good person. I walk through and no noise. Everything is perfect. I'm very happy now.
Good job, Tom. Now it is my turn. I walk through the machine. It is very fast. Now we need to collect our things. I see my tray. I take my bag, my jacket, and my laptop. I must be careful. I don't want to forget my phone in the tray.
Please check everything, Anna. Many people forget things at security. I have my belt, I have my shoes, and I have my bag. We are officially inside the departures area. This area is very big. There are many shops and many restaurants.
I am so hungry, Tom. The security process was long. Can we buy a sandwich or maybe a coffee? I love airport coffee. It is a bit expensive, but I enjoy it. I feel relaxed now that we finished security.
Yes, let's look for a cafe. But first, we must find our gate. The gate is the door where we wait for the plane. Our boarding pass says Gate B12. We need to follow the signs for letter B. There are signs everywhere.
I see a sign for Gate B. It is that way near the big window. Oh look, I can see the planes from here. They are so big and beautiful. The sun is reflecting on the wings of the planes. It is a very pretty view. I feel very excited to fly.
The planes are very big indeed. I see a plane taking off. It goes up into the clouds. To take off is when the plane leaves the ground. I love the feeling in my stomach when the plane goes up.
I prefer the landing, Tom. To land is when the plane touches the ground. I feel safe when we land. But now we are walking to Gate B12. We are walking past the duty-free shops. Do you want to buy some chocolate or perfume, Tom?
Maybe later. We need to check the time. My watch says it is 2 o'clock. Our flight departs at 3 o'clock. We have 1 hour. 1 hour is enough time to walk to the gate and sit down. I don't like to run in the airport.
Running in the airport is very stressful. I like to walk slowly. We are walking and walking. The airport is very long. I see a moving walkway. It is like a flat escalator. Let's use it. It is faster and fun.
This is great. We are moving, but our legs are resting. I feel like I'm in a movie. Look at all the people. That family looks very happy. They're wearing hats and sunglasses. I think they are going to a sunny place.
I think so too. Everyone looks happy today. I feel a lot of joy in this place. We are almost at Gate B12. I can see the number now. B10, B11, and here is B12. There are many chairs here. We can sit down and wait.
Perfect. I'm sitting down now. My legs feel tired. It is good to rest. I'm looking at my boarding pass again. Gate B12, seat 15A. 15A is a window seat. I love the window seat because I can see the clouds.
You are lucky, Tom. I have seat 15B. That is the middle seat. The middle seat is okay, but I prefer the aisle seat. The aisle seat is next to the corridor. It is easier to get up and go to the bathroom.
That is true, but we are sitting together and that is the best part. We can talk and practice more English on the plane. Friends, do you like the window seat or the aisle seat? Please tell us in the comments. We want to know your preference.
Yes, please comment below. Use simple words. You can say, I like the window or I like the aisle. It is very good practice for you. We love to hear your stories about the airport. Have you ever lost a bag? I hope not.
Oh no, losing a bag is very bad. I always put a green ribbon on my bag. The ribbon helps me identify my bag quickly. It's a good trick for travelers. Anna, I hear a voice on the loudspeaker. Listen.
The voice is saying something about our flight. Attention passengers for flight 123 to London. We are ready for boarding. Boarding, that means we can get on the plane now. I am so excited. I am standing up and taking my bag.
Wait, Anna. They called for families and people who need help first. We need to wait for our group. Our boarding pass says Group 3. We must wait for the lady to say Group 3. It's important to be patient.
You are right, Tom. Patience is a virtue. I am sitting down again. I am taking a deep breath. I am calm. I am looking at the other passengers. They are standing in line. They want to get on the plane very fast.
Now the lady says, Group 3, please. That's us. Let's go, Anna. We show our boarding pass one more time. The lady scans the paper. Beep. She says, have a nice flight. I say, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
We are walking down the tunnel now. This tunnel is called the Jet Bridge. It connects the airport to the plane. It is a bit dark and cold in here, but at the end of the tunnel, I can see the door of the plane.
I see the flight attendants. They are wearing very nice uniforms. They're smiling at us. Welcome aboard, they say. I feel very welcome. I am looking for row 15. Row 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here is row 15.
Here are our seats, Tom. I am putting my small bag under the seat in front of me. You can put your bag in the overhead compartment. The overhead compartment is the box above our heads. Is there space for your bag?
Yes, there is a lot of space. I am closing the compartment now. Click. It is closed. Now I am sitting in my window seat. I am putting on my seatbelt. Safety first. You must hear a click when you close the seatbelt.
Click. My seatbelt is closed too. I am ready. I am very happy we are here together. This was a great day at the airport. We learned many words: passport, suitcase, security, gate, and boarding pass.
And we also learned verbs: to check in, to take off, to land, and to board. These words are very useful for your next trip. Please practice these words at home. You can even act like you are at the airport.
That is a very funny idea, Tom. Thank you everyone for listening to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love you and we are very grateful for your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
See you in the next episode for more English fun. Have a wonderful day and a very safe flight. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you soon.